Choosing the right running shoes is crucial for both comfort and performance. A well-fitting shoe can help prevent injuries, improve your running form, and make your runs more enjoyable. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to choose the correct shoes for running. 1. Determine your arch type. Your arch type plays a significant role in the type of running shoe you need. There are 3 main arch types. High arch, supination. If you have high arches, your feet tend to roll outward when you walk or run. You'll need stability shoes that provide support and prevent overpronation. Neutral arch. If you have neutral arches, your feet roll inward slightly when you walk or run. You can wear neutral running shoes that provide cushioning and support without excessive motion control. Flat arch, pronation. If you have flat arches, your feet roll inward significantly when you walk or run. You'll need stability shoes or motion control shoes that provide extra support to prevent overpronation. 2. Consider your running surface. The type of terrain you'll be running on should also influence your shoe choice. If you're running on pavement, you'll need road running shoes with good cushioning and traction. If you're running on trails, you'll need trail running shoes with aggressive tread for grip on uneven surfaces. 3. Get your feet measured. Your feet size can change over time, so it's important to get your feet measured before buying new running shoes. A professional runner's shop can accurately measure your feet and help you find shoes that fit your unique foot shape. 4. Try on shoes at the end of the day. Your feet swell throughout the day, so it's best to try on running shoes at the end of the day when your feet are at their largest. This will help ensure that your shoes fit properly even when your feet are swollen. 5. Leave room in the toe box. Your toes should have enough room to wiggle in the toe box of the shoe. There should be about a thumbnail's width of space between your longest toe and the end of the shoe. 6. Make sure the heel fits snugly. The heel of the shoe should fit snugly but not tightly. Your heel should not slip out of the shoe when you walk or run. 7. Walk and run on a treadmill. If possible, walk and run on a treadmill in the store to get a feel for how the shoes feel on your feet. Pay attention to any discomfort or pressure points. 8. Don't be afraid to ask for help. The staff at a specialized running store can provide expert advice and help you find the right shoes for your needs. They can analyze your gait and recommend specific shoes based on your individual needs. Remember, the right running shoes should make your runs more comfortable and enjoyable. If you're experiencing any pain or discomfort, it's best to return the shoes and try a different pair. Thanks for checking out this video on how to choose the correct shoes for running. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more running tips and advice. I'd also love to hear your thoughts on the video in the comments section below. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to know about running shoes. Thanks again for watching.